the Slinky model and how I did it. I didn't get the exact data correctly. It was kind of difficult to get right, so I kind of just tracked the top of the Slinky as it fell. But if I really wanted to try to figure out how to do this, I would track the center of mass of the Slinky as it accelerates down, which would be kind of difficult. But I'll show you why, because Slinky's constantly moving, length of it's changing, and yeah, so it would be kind of difficult. But the center of mass would be somewhere around this area, and it would slowly accelerate as the top comes towards the bottom. If you look at my model, it's not exactly perfect, but I tried my best to get there, and that's what that does. But I did find one online that conveys a similar model shown in the video, and it does a good job, so I'll run that, and it'll take a little bit, but you'll see the top will soon collapse, and as it hits the bottom, the whole mass will fall, just like in the video. And there it goes. So I mentioned earlier that the center of mass is really the main important thing in this whole lab, and it's kind of hard to determine where the center of mass of the Slinky is and actually kind of put that into a model. But as the Slinky goes down and is further collapsing, the center of mass is accelerating as well. And the only things that are keeping the Slinky in the air is the tension force of the Slinky. Even though the force of gravity is still acting on the Slinky, there's tension in the top of the Slinky that's keeping it constant with gravity. So that's the reason why it will stay the same. And I took some data from my tracker model, and as you can see, this is from the top of the Slinky. It goes down at a constant value, very constant rate. And yeah, that's pretty much it. And that's my lab, and I hope you learned something from here. But it's kind of hard to actually show the whole thing, since you can't really find the center of mass of the Slinky. It's a bit difficult, but I tried my best. I hope you actually learned something, and thank you for watching.